So I put my elastic all the way through my casing, and I have my 2 ends here. They're marked. You can lightly see the 2 pink lines. I put those, I lined them up, my pink lines together. See, they're right on top of each other here. And I pinned them with a safety pin. You'd probably pin it neater than this. I pinned those like that. And I tried on the pants to see if they fit. So you can do that and go try them on in the bathroom or something. Just ask me, get permission. Then you can go try them on, make sure that they really, really fit. And I felt like I needed to put it just a little bit closer together than I had marked. So what I'm going to do is when I sew it together, instead of lining my pink lines right up on top of each other, I'm going to give myself another 1/2 inch, or like go in another 1/2 inch. I know it's hard to see in the video, but here's a pink line, here's a pink line. So I'm going to overlap them just about another 1/2 inch because that's what I felt like fit me best. And then I'm going to go ahead and pin my elastics together, making sure that they're not twisted, because if they're twisted and we sew them together, then it'll be permanently twisted. I'm going to pin on each side to kind of show me where I want to sew, and I might pull my elastic out just a little bit of my casing so that's easier to work with. I'm going to pin on each side, and then I'm going to draw with a marking pencil on here. I have a marking pencil. This one's a little bit dull. Hopefully it works. I'm going to draw a square and an X. I don't know if you can see that in the video. I'm going to go over it with a Sharpie just so you can see it better. But it's just a square and an X. And when I sew this, I'm going to sew that square, which I probably would want to go even up to the top here for my square. I'm going to sew that square, and then I'm going to sew the X so that it's very, very strong. Okay? So I'm going to mark that on my elastic and pin it in place, get it ready to sew.